Aksel Ivanovich Berg was a Soviet scientist and Navy Admiral. He was a key figure in the introduction of cybernetics to the Soviet Union. Early life. Berg's father was General Johann Berg, of Finn and Swedish origin, and his mother was Italian. Aksel was 11 when his father died, and Aksel was matriculated to St. Petersburg Navy School. Berg joined the Imperial Russian Navy in 1914 and served as junior navigating officer on the Russian battleship Tsarevich and as liaison officer on the British submarine HMS E-8, which was operating in the Baltic in alliance with Russia. After the revolution, Berg served in the Red Navy 1918–22. In 1919 he was navigating officer on the submarine Pantera when it sank the British destroyer HMS Victoria. He subsequently commanded the submarines RY's Falcon Z Mayer. From 1925 Berg was based on shore and completed his education at the St. Petersburg Polytechnical University. From 1927 he was assigned to the Navy Radio Electronics Department, and from 1932 to 1937 he headed the Navy Communications Research Institute. Imprisoned and rehabilitated. During Stalin's purges, Berg was imprisoned for 3 years, but was freed and rehabilitated in 1940, when Stalin became interested in developing radar. Berg was immediately appointed as Minister of Electronic Technology of the USSR. He developed the Radar-K air warning radar, which was placed aboard the light cruiser Molotov in April 1941. Molotov's device enabled her to play a key role in the air defense of Sevastopol in the first stages of Operation Barbarossa. After World War II. After the war, Berg directed the Radio Electronics Institute 1947–57 and was a Deputy Minister of Defense 1953–57. Then in 1958 he founded the Scientific Council of Complex Problem Cybernetics, of which he became head. His main interests were radio communications, microelectronics and cybernetics. Berg died in Moscow in 1979 and is buried in Novodevichy Cemetery. Selected publications. Berg, A. Cybernetics and Education in the Anglo-Soviet Journal, March 1964, pp. 13–20. Honors and Awards. Hero of Socialist Labor. Decree of the Presidium of the Supreme Soviet for outstanding achievements in the development of radio engineering and in connection with the 70th anniversary of Aksel Ivanovich Berg. 4 Orders of Lenin, Order of the October Revolution, Order of the Red Banner twice, Order of the Patriotic War First Class, Order of the Red Star 3 times, Popov Gold Medal, Medal for the victory over Germany in the Great Patriotic War 1941–1945, Jubilee Medal 20 years of victory in the Great Patriotic War 1941–1945, Jubilee Medal XX years of the Workers' and Peasants' Red Army, Jubilee Medal 30 years of the Soviet Army and Navy, Jubilee Medal 40 years of the Armed Forces of the USSR, Jubilee Medal 50 years of the Armed Forces of the USSR.